Greetings everyone. In this video I will introduce Adobe Photoshop Elements 6.0. To begin, we need to locate the software. If you visit either lab, you will be able to find Adobe Photoshop on the desktop here, or if you want to click on the lab software folder, you can access it there. If you do open the folder, look on the first line and you'll find Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I will access it from the desktop, and once I click on this, it should begin to open. From this screen, we want to select Edit because we want to perform some operations on images. Now that the software is open, you can see the interface. We'll begin by taking a look at the toolbar. So the toolbar is on your left. If you do look at some Photoshop elements and you don't see the toolbar on the left, that's because you can rearrange the workspace depending on how you want to work. But generally speaking, it's on the left. We'll also take a look at the menu at the top, and there's quite a few things that we'll use from that menu as well. And if you look over to your right, you'll notice that this will be the area where we work with layers, and at the bottom this will show all of the pictures that you have open at any given time, and you can move back and forth through the pictures. So that's how we'll talk about each part of the interface to begin. In your drawing tools, if you click on one or hover over one of them, it will show you what it does, and you can see that the zoom tool, it'll zoom. Or if you want to go down and figure out, well, what is this magic looking thing? That's called a magic wand, and we'll do some work with that. At the bottom you have an eraser. This lets you erase different things in your image. There's also a red eye removal tool. So each one of these tools, we'll learn how to use them in context, so you don't need to memorize anything right now. So that's your toolbar, which is usually on your left. If for some reason your toolbar does not appear, I'll show you how to get that toolbar back after we talk about the menu at the top. So let's talk about your top menu. You'll notice some familiar things here. When you click on File, this will let you open new files. It'll let you create new blank files as well. If you go to Edit, there's some basic edits that we can do here. Cut, copy, and paste, undo, redo, revert to original. So we won't use everything here, but we'll get the basics. For the image, same thing here. You can perform some operations on the images from here. Enhance, same thing. You can fix some of the problems that a photo may have. Layers, we can create new layers here, and we can delete layers, and there's another section where we can do this as well. For the select tool, this allows us to select either different parts of the image or to use this inverse function, which we'll talk about later. Filters applies certain adjustments to your images depending on what kind of look and feel that you want for that particular image. The view section, this gives you a place to zoom in or zoom out, and a couple other things here. And notice that there are some keyboard shortcuts. So the more you work with certain software, you may want to be familiar with the keyboard shortcuts that are specific to that software to make your workflow better. And then when we come to Window, this is where we'll go when we need to get to something that's not available. For example, I mentioned that if your toolbar was not there, so I just clicked on it and I got rid of the check, so you notice that my toolbar disappeared. So if for some reason this happens, all you need to do is go to Window, choose Tools, and the tools will appear again. And if you look up in the top right, you'll notice the undo and the redo buttons. And over here we have a place that we can get to effects. We can also get to layers. Now you can't see any layers right now because we don't have anything in our workspace, but if there were an image here, then you would see one picture here, and that would be one layer. And we'll talk about layers as well. At the very bottom you have a bin that stores whatever photos you have open. So if you have 4 photos open at the same time, they'll all appear in this bottom bin. Or if you only have one, you'll see that one at the bottom, and you can navigate from one picture to the other by clicking on it. And that's a basic introduction to the interface. So the next video we'll get started with using some of the tools.